Well, guys, fantastic. Mid-century modern. Hutch, china cabinet, buffet, call it what you want. You know what it is. Let's go through it. This thing is very synonymous with the period. Nice minimalist styling with design cues that are very attractive and really, singularly defining the period that everybody seems to want these days just simply because it is so nice and unique. Walnut construction and color. The sideboard and bottom's in two pieces. I'm going to do part of the video that's going to feature the bottom, but I've got the china on the top right now. Nice big generous doors. This whole unit is 60 inches from side to side, but the doors in the front for display purposes are nice and large, and they open easily. They've got indents here inside on the wood doors, revealing 3 levels. The shelves are indented, so you could, if you had plates and things like that you want to put in there, or, that's really what that's for. The glass is perfect. There are magnetic closures, and it closes nicely. Nice design element on the front here, which, again, is solid wood, and, just basically goes with the whole motif of the piece. We're going to, as I said, remove the top in a moment so you can see the bottom, but just again, for your notes, it's 60 inches from side to side. 16 inches deep, and that's the server part of the bottom is actually deeper than the top, and it's 31 inches tall to the top of the server, and 67 up to the top of the hutch. So yeah, if you have, a lot of people may want to use this as a server in the dining room, but as well you could use it as an entertainment center. If you remove the top, put your flat screen TV on it, and your components inside. Really there's quite a number of things you could use it for, but again, if you're looking at this ad, you're in love with the period, or you just admire the period, and you think this is a nice piece of furniture, which it very much so is, and you're interested. So let's take a look at the bottom. And so here is the sideboard component of the hutch, china cabinet, whatever you're going to call it. And it's lovely. Synonymous period correct styling with the mid-century. It's got these cool solid wood details on the side. They're very nifty. And of course the lips, which got the nice black accents on them. And of course opening up to reveal lots of storage space. Got basically a shelf with or a cupboard with a shelf inside there and one equivalent there. And solid wood drawers here. Nice clean interiors. You could pull these sleeves out if you wanted to. Not sure why you would want to, but if you want to keep china in there, you can, or maybe just want a partition for really whatever. And again, all the drawers function exactly as it could. The nice thing about this mid-century furniture is that it has modern action, meaning the drawers don't have any slop. They're put together properly, and what can I say? But synonymous with the floating box style, which is very common with the period. Where you've got the spindle legs supporting the large box, and nice and stable. 56 inches from side to side, as you see it here. 17 inches deep and 31 inches tall. So let's take a look at everything. Here it is, folks. Both pieces back together, and like I said, it is really a wonderfully styled piece that represents that period of time, and look good in any room because it's big enough that it'll do the job, but not mammothly gigantic. And at the same time, because it's in two pieces, it's easy to transport and put in position. If you want to find out what kind of great value this is, just wander down to some of your finer shops in downtown Toronto or any other cosmopolitan area. This style is very popular right now and is fetching huge money. And now you don't have to spend that. This came out of a well-heeled estate that had good taste. And now you have an opportunity to acquire it at a very reasonable price. Make sure you study the photos. They're going to be higher quality in this video. I expect this is going to sell very quickly. So if you're the lucky buyer, send me a text, email, or phone call, and I'll sell it to you. Thanks, guys.